Okay, here we are, just finished baking. If you have a look, it didn't grow hugely, I have to admit it. Okay, it's just that little bit. It depends, sometimes it grows more. However, believe me, you will, when you've done once, you will not have any other bread. Smells lovely. Yes, we have to wait. I can't do anything because it's very, very hot. Again, if you want to hear it, hopefully, how crunchy it is, it's super crunchy, okay? And it's gorgeous inside. Okay, so for now, I'm going to leave it because you're not supposed to cut it when it's hot. Okay, thanks.